Hi guys, John here, all the way from South Africa, a former BMW technician. I just want to say thanks. Wow, 926 subscribers, and it was actually just yesterday I thought, and in a spur of the moment, created the channel. So let me introduce myself and my future project. This is a M3 2017 competition pack with 70,000 Ks on. It was in the butcher's hand and I saved it actually out of the butcher's hand. Let me go and show you a little bit more of the vehicle. Apparently the car was hit in an accident. It went on a barrier on a drag strip. The guy hit the wall and he wanted to strip it to build the X3 F25 out of it. So hopefully we can save it. The damages and stuff, what I did pick up so far, this wheel here moved to the back. It's actually touching the wheel arch here. The doors and everything is still opening nicely. The fender did pull back a little bit. But if I look at all the gaps and everything, I must say, I'm still sure we can save it. So, let's carry on. The bonnet is toast. And if you look here with all the impact here, this Jessie leg here bended. This is actually a whole quarter section you can get from BMW and stuff, so I can't see why it isn't repairable. The strut brace here on the top is also bended. The right front headlight was not anymore. If I look at the radiators and everything on this side, it looks still if it might be savable. Can't really get in here now too much, but if you look here through the gap, it still looks savable. Yeah. This side I can't really see with the Jessie leg is bended too much, but this top part is definitely also bended. But I think it was from the impact from that side. On this side, the front headlight looks like might be savable. On this side, I must say the car don't look actually too bad. And then we can go around and look at the other stuff. Okay, let me show you the inside of the car. I took out the steering airbag because it also popped and it was just hideous the whole time in the way. The seats and everything still actually looks very good. Side airbag popped. The car actually just still switches on. Front window cracked, the airbag popped here. And hey, I got both spare keys. I did a quick test so far. Couldn't help myself to see what faults it was. So let's go and have a look at the faults. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, some of the pipes and airboxes and everything is out. This guy actually had a few aftermarket stuff, like charge air pipes and charge air coolers and everything. But he had aftermarket performance stuff. He took all that out and he gave me all the original stuff. So there is a little bit, a few fault codes for the air mass sensors and everything that's out. But it's a project. And I forgot to mention, nice carbon roof, eh? Okay, I did go ahead and did a quick test on Easter so far. It is a 2017 F-Series M3 S55. And then there was actually a few fault codes. Okay, so the airbags and stuff, but that we know popped. The safety battery terminal, I did see the pyro fuse did get blown. But there's no significant problems. The wastegates and stuff, when the guy took out the downpipes, he unplugged the electronic wastegates. So that I'm also not too much worried. The electric fan and stuff actually got damage with its front impact. So I must say, for most of the things, it looks fine. There's a few things like the DSC pump, what I at first was worried about. And the other thing also that I did pick up, was the electronic power steering is also not picking up. At first I was worried, and then after a check or two, I actually found it out that there's no power on here. So when I had to look, I see yes, actually fuse box sitting here as well. But when I check the power here, I see there's no power coming to here. So I went ahead today and actually bought a pyro fuse. So I was hoping actually to put that tonight in. When I got it, the battery was a little bit flat, so I put my Deutronics charger on it. So far it actually looks good, so the battery looks still fine. But I don't know if you guys can see actually in here, it's a little bit dark. But yeah, you can see the pyro fuse is blown. So let me go ahead and put the other pyro fuse. As soon as we're done there, I will let you know. But I just want to, just want to thank everybody for the subscriptions that everybody gave, and all the good comments and good lucks and everything. So let me know if you guys enjoyed the first part, and keep on subscribing. I appreciate everything. Thanks. Bye-bye.